Ford has been in South Africa for more than 90 years and is the #2 car brand in the country. It had a record year in 2015, selling more than 78,000 vehicles. The Ford Ranger has become one of its most popular lines. Ford has added the new Everest SUV to its production line, which until now has been imported from Thailand.
We've taken the Ranger platform that's been so successful for us throughout Africa and Europe, and we've now introduced an SUV off that same platform, and the $170 million of investment is for a brand new, unique body shop to construct the body for the Everest, and then to make the adjustments in our paint shop and in our assembly line in order to be able to build the SUV down the same line as we build the pickup truck.
Ford has almost doubled its market share in South Africa over the last 4 years, and it's grown its presence across Africa.
We view Africa as a huge growth market for Ford. South Africa is a huge growth market. And on top of that, our market share all throughout sub-Saharan Africa, especially buoyed by the popularity of our Ranger, is averaging about 7% market share, whereas before we were in the 2 to 3% market share range.
The new Everest SUV is expected to be a hit in Africa. Ford exports 65% of all Rangers manufactured in South Africa to 148 countries around the world. Europe and Africa remain its biggest markets. The Silverton plant in Pretoria has the capacity to build 110,000 vehicles annually and employs the majority of Ford's 37,000 strong workforce across South Africa.
We're creating 1,200 jobs just in our direct Tier 1 suppliers and in our assembly plant here in Pretoria and in our engine plant down in Port Elizabeth, because the engines for these Everests are manufactured in Port Elizabeth as well.
Ford is not the only automaker expanding in South Africa. In the last 2 years, VW, BMW, Mercedes-Benz and Beijing Auto have all announced sizable investments totaling around $2 billion. South Africa has developed a strong reputation for its motor manufacturing. The government's incentives for investment is also attracting more motor companies to the country. Sumitra Nydoo, CCTV, Johannesburg.